Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to use the Fidelity Investments website easy method. First, go to the Fidelity sign-in page, enter your username and password, and complete two-factor authentication if prompted. Next, explore the dashboard to view accounts, balances, and positions. Finally, learn where to find Transfer, Trade, and Statements tabs to move money, place trades, and download documents quickly and safely. Open the Fidelity dashboard and take a slow tour of each section while I explain practical tips. Start with the portfolio snapshot to understand performance and allocation, then check the Accounts menu to switch between retirement and brokerage details. Add a watchlist widget to monitor tickers and enable alerts for price moves. Use the search box to quickly find trades, quotes, or help articles. When you need to move money or place a trade, calm steps make it simple and safe. Click Transfer to link a bank or move cash, then confirm routing and amounts. For trades, open the Trade tab, enter the ticker, choose Buy or Sell, and pick Market or Limit orders. Review estimated fees and preview the order before submitting, and consider recurring investments for steady contributions over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.